Okay guys, I thought I'd show an update on some of the half-beak babies. You can see them. There's some there, a couple there, some there, another one there. But to give you an idea, let's see if I can show you on size. Gives you an idea how small they are. But they're growing up well. See, they got little fat bellies. Love the baby brine shrimp. And they're starting to look like half-beaks now. But she had quite a few. I've counted 7 so far, which is the most she's ever had. Yep. That's the platinum half-beak babies.